Good evening all. Today we are going to discuss data structure using C++ module 4. In this module, we are going to discuss binary and other trees, tree properties and representation of the binary tree. Binary tree. Binary tree is a special data structure used in data storage purpose in C++. A binary tree has a special condition that each node can have maximum of 2 child. A binary tree has the benefit of both an order array and a linked list as such as quick as inserted array, and insertion or deletion operation are as fastest as linked list. It is defined in the figure. The top level 0 node is defined as root and is connected to parents is connected to child, and this is being same thing is being defined in the important terms of binary tree. Following are the important terms. One is path. Path refers to the sequence of the nodes along the edge of a tree. Root. The root is nothing but the top of the tree is called root. There is only one root per tree and one path from the root node to any node. Parent. Any node except the root node has one edge upward to a node called parent. Child. The node below the given node connected to its edge downward is called its child node. Leaf, subtree, visiting, traversing. Traversing means passing through the nodes in a specific order. Levels of a node represent the generation of a node. If the root node at level 0, then its next child root, it will be level 1 and its grandchild will be on level 2, so on. Keys represent a value of a node based on which is a search operation is to be carried out. General tree and binary tree. It is defined in the figure also. Binary tree, it has parent nodes which has only 2 children. But in general tree, it is not like. It is having one parent is having only one child also. The same thing is defined in the tables also. In general tree, there is no limit of degree of node in a general tree, whereas binary tree nodes in a binary tree cannot have more than degree 2. Subtree of general trees are not ordered, but whereas in binary tree, subtree of binary tree are ordered. Like this, the next 3 differences are defined in the tables. Binary tree property. There are 5 properties which is very much important of writing the code for binary and operations. The very first one is the maximum number of the nodes at level L of a binary tree is equal to 2 to the power n minus L minus 1. If the root is L equal to 1, then number of nodes 2 to the power L minus 1 equal to 1. Binary tree, every node has at most 2 children. Next level would have twice nodes 2 to the power 2 L minus 1. This is the way we define binary tree. Maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of the height h, where h greater than 0 is 2 to the power h minus 1. The binary tree with n nodes, minimum possible height or minimum number of level is defined log 2 n plus 1. Fourth property is binary tree with L leaves has at least log 2 L plus 1 level. And fifth property is the binary tree number of leaf nodes is always one more than the nodes with 2 children. And that is we are going to use the basic operation of traversing. Binary tree property. In this property, first we are defining the code for structure node. That you can see we are defining into the data structure node left child and structure node right child is defined. But there are 5 operations that can be performed on a binary tree data structure are the following. Insert. Insert an element in a tree or create a tree. If root If it is not there, root equal to 0, then we have to create the tree root and then other two trees. We have to insert two left and right child. Search operations. Search an element in a tree. Pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, and post-order traversal. These three we are going to discuss next lecture video of module 4B part. We are going to talk about algorithm to insert an element in tree. The very first insertion create the tree. Whenever element is to be inserted, first we have to check its proper location. Start searching from the root node. Then if the data is less than the key value, search for the empty location in the left subtree and then insert the data. Otherwise, search the empty location in the right subtree and insert the data. This is the basic things of writing algorithm or code for the C++ of binary tree. Algorithm for the insert element in tree. We have to check always as usual whether root is null. If it is null, there is no existing binary tree, then we have to create the root. Then if it is not null, then we have to, if it is existing one, there we are comparing the data of the node data. If the data is greater than the node data, go to right subtree. If it is not, go to left subtree and while insert data. This is the basic operation of writing C++ code for binary tree. Insert an element in tree. Same thing which you have discussed above, algorithm of the insert element in tree. Same thing we are writing here. We are defining structure node of current, temporary node, parent, temporary node, insertion data equal to data, temp node, insertion left child equal to null. We are initializing for right child also. And then we are writing code for the algorithm to create the checking for the root node. If it is null, then we are creating a root node. Else, if it is existing, then we are checking for the current root we are making to current and parent we are making null. And then we are using a while loop to check, to create, insert the left subtree child and right of the tree child we have to insert. Same thing we are writing the code for this. Search of an element in tree. Search operation. Whenever an element is to be searched, start searching from the root node. Then if the data is less than the key value, search for the element in the left subtree. Otherwise, search for the element in the right subtree. Same thing we are using everywhere in the search operation. What is the algorithm? If the root data is equal to search data, return root. Else, while data not found, if data is greater than the node data, go to right subtree. Else, go to left subtree. If data found, return node. And while for the while loop and return data not found, and if for the if loop. Search of an element in tree, we are going to write C++ code, the algorithm we have discussed above. Here also same thing we are defining structure node, search operation integer data, and there we are giving encapsulated in the bracket structuring node, current root, count the visiting elements, we have to write, we have to accept from the monitor display, and then while current data not equal to data, and if the current not equal to null, we are entering the current data and go to left subtree. If current data greater than data, then we are searching for the left child. Else we go to right tree and we are search for the right tree. Search of an element of the binary tree. This is the simple code, C++ code, or we can write in data structure using C++ about the tree, binary tree. Thanks very much. Thank you very much.